Takin tayo, sir. Para maganda, sir. Takin tayo. Para pogi. Assassin. Takin tayo.
Assassin ng Bartolome.
Okay.
Ball game.
Parang babaero kasi pag-assassin. Kaya ika.
First game. First match. UAE. Against Mechanic Squad. First position of UAE. Tantan. First basket, first shot. Too strong. Rebound by Sir Reyes. Now the Assassin. Winning MVP, Sir Reyes. Back to the Assassin. Assassin drive, stop, pull out jumper, too strong. Rebound, tap by the 1-4 Fernandez. It's 2-0. It's Mechanic Squad. Diaz, stop, Diaz. Again too strong. Rebound on 1-4. Now Fernandez to Balitaan. Balitaan to the Assassin. Winning MVP. First shot, first basket, in and out. Rebound on Malajos. Malajos now. Guarded by Balitaan. Malajos looking for Diaz. Diaz. Malajos. 10 to shoot. 10. Short. Now Fernandez to winning MVP. Foul on Simbaco. Now 8 minutes and 30 seconds.
Tantan. Bartolome.
Nice pass. Short to Ceres, fake, Ceres, pump, Ceres, short again. Ceres, 10 to shoot, 10. Fake, too strong. Rebound on Simbaco, it's 3-on-2. Simbaco goes to go short. Rebound on Balitaan. Balitaan to the Assassin. Assassin now. See by Fernandez. Assassin pass to Reyes. Diaz on Reyes. Now 4-0. Malajos. Yes, on Malajos, 2-4. 2-point lead on Mechanic Squad.
4 lang naman.
Yung muling tira ni Reyes.
Fernandez tsaka Reyes lang. Nag-shot.
Sino pa isa?
Fernandez tsaka Reyes lang.
isa?
Wala naman din naman na-shot.
Sino isa?
Wala na.
Dalawa lang.
Domingo.
Ito naman, dalawang shot lang. Di
Tatanong
ba?
lang. Tap by Balitaan. Now the Assassin, it's 3-2. Assassin right pass to reigning MVP. Yes, reigning MVP. Now 6-2. 4-point lead now, Mechanic Squad. It's 7 minutes.
Pasyon ko kanina. Wala. Una.
6-2. 6-2. Rebound on Fernandez. Steal by Domingo. Yes, on Domingo. 6-4. 2-point lead again on Mechanic Squad. It's 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Assassin stop up. Pull on jump. Short. White ball. This is our first game, first match. UAE and Mechanic Squad are all Filipino Cup by Basketballista. Malajos, favorite shot. Airball. Now, Balitaan, toes to toes, Balitaan, drive, Balitaan, pass to Assassin. Fake, attempt, short. Rebound Balitaan, Reyes. Again and out, blocked by Simbaco. Now Reyes, basic one against Reyes. Now Domingo.
Tantan.
Too strong. Steal again by Diaz. Yes, on Diaz. 8-6. Back to 2-point lead on Mechanic Squad. It's 5 minutes. Steal again by Diaz. It's 3-on-2. Diaz drive, stop Diaz. to Malajos. Too strong. Rebound may Balitan. Now Balitan. Balitan. Close to goal. Balitan. Still. Nice pass to Fernandez. Short. Rebound ng Simbako. Simbako to Diaz.
Oh no.
Stepping on the line. Turnover on the white shirts. It's 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Our first game, first match, all Filipino Cup. Ay basketballista. Now Reyes. Winning MVP. Drive, side, pass to, oh, still by Tantan. Now Tantan, Camos, 3-on-1, Camos, zigzag to Simbako, yes, 8 all. His first deadlock of the game. Now Fernandez.
Wow. Nako.
Yes, on below, short. Rebound again on Diaz. Diaz to Sunday, Sunday is all gone, Sunday stop. Traveling variation on Sunday, Domingo. It's 4 minutes. It's 8 all. Omaco, too strong. Top by Fernandez. Now Reyes, too strong again. Rebound by Simbako. Now it's 2-2. Camos drive. Camos carried by Britan. Camos again. Looking for Sunday best. Sunday best. Domingo. Now 14 to shoot. Too strong again. Camos stop by Malajos. Malajos! Yes, now 10-8. Time out. On your game.
Uy, wala naman. Sir, saglit lang, sir. Masakit eh. Tagay lang ako support. Natamaan. Ay, bawal! Ay, huwag na wala. Sakit, masakit. Wala pang ilang seconds pa lang yun. Marami pa sa bitsi. Time out lang, di ba? Wala pa kainom tubig eh. Pilay ko tayo. Ayun na!
Eh, nabukan naman. Malay ko ba kung sinong nabukang?
Yang dam, yang satu.
Now Mago. Short. Now Camos. Camos now. Camos pula jump short. Rebound ng Balitan. Now to the Assassin. Foul.
Malajos.
Foul on number 30 on Malajos. First two free throw. Awarded by the Assassin. 3 minutes. 10-8. His first basket first shot on Bartolome. It's 3 minutes. This is our second deadlock of the game. First game. First match on Basketballista All Filipino Cup Season 6 Simbako to Sunday Domingo. Too strong. Rebound on Reyes. Yes, on the Assassin. Now 12-10. 2-point lead now. Mechanic squad.
Balik mo na.
Tantan to Diaz. Domingo. Short. Rebound on Fernandez. Goal-winning MVP. Assassin. Now, nice stop by Camos. It's 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 12-10. Oh! Fernandez again. Big. Fernandez. Now Simbako. Steal on the Assassin. The Assassin now. Drive, goes to goal, pass outside. Running MVP. Bang! Bang! Bang, bang, bang on the reigning MVP, Mako. 5-point lead now in Galing squad, 15-10. Now Malayos, escape, side. Looking for Sunday Domingo. Yes, on Sunday Domingo. 12-15. Still by Malayos. 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's only 3-point lead on the Galing squad, 15 against 12. Malayos 3-on-2. Malayos pump, favorite shot. Malayos, bang, 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 bang. All Malayos. Now 15 all. It's 1 minute.
Pagod na si Mako.
Reigning MVP, side step. Yes, on for reigning MVP, Mako. 55 seconds.
Tantan.
Yes, on Fernandez. 19.
Ay.
Fernandez again, foul. Foul on number 8 on Sunday Domingo. First on Sunday Domingo. First team foul, UAE.
Second. First si Malajo.
Dalawa.
21-50. Diaz.
Oh no.
3 seconds, 3. 3 seconds. And our first mechanic squad ball, mechanic squad.
Mga 30 seconds. Hindi ko madali.
Wala bang lang dumating?
This is our first game, first match. It's all Filipino Cup by basketballista. Now Reyes in the ball game. Assassin. Assassin now, setting a play. Assassin drive, pass to Reyes. Reyes, first basket, first shot. In and out, di ba namin Assassin. Assassin pull out jumper, too strong. Di ba namin Fernandez. Fernandez.
Aywa.
Fernandez too strong. Domingo. Domingo. To Malayos. As at White, it's 9 minutes and 20 seconds.
Hindi lang.
Now Fernandez. Torres again, same spot. Second shot, short. Rebound on Diaz. Diaz to Sibaco. It's 4-on-1. Malayos, Malayos. Again, too strong. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes to the Assassin now. Assassin, Assassin, rebound. Assassin! In and out. Rebound Fernandez. Yes on Fernandez. 23 against 15. It's 8-point lead on Mechanic squad. Short. Yes on Sunday, Domingo. 23-17, 6-point lead on Mechanic squad in 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Again and out. Venus. Yes. What a shot coming from Venus. 24-17. In 8 minutes.
괜찮아요.
40 to shoot. Top. Diaz. Whoa! Great Diaz, 19 to 25. Reyes. Again too strong. Fernandez. Short. Yes on Venus. Skate. Assassin now. Oh, crossover. Assassin drive. Assassin in and out. Top Assassin again. 14 assistant plus 14. Back to Fernandez. You move. Top, short. 10 to shoot. 10. Short again. Tantan. To Sunday Domingo. Sunday Domingo. In and out. In 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Last stats on this Tasmania double. In 6 minutes, 30 seconds. 27 to 19. Bang, 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 bang on Malados. Warning on number 15 during the live game.
Game na. Okay tayo,
Bang, 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 bang on Royals. 30 to 22. Simbaco now. Steal by... Now it's 2 and 1. Now the Assassin Assassin 32 to 22.
Sampo na. No, just game.
5 minutes and 20.
Dapat lang yan sa Bartolome.
White ball. It's 32 to 22.
Go Idol, Toto Diaz.
Sunday Domingo. Foul. Foul on 1/4. Fernandez. First team foul on Gali squad. First on Fernandez. Rebound on Tasmania.
Time out.
Time out on UAE. Now 34 to 22.
Ito tinutuwanan mo, mali lang.
Sa baba, oh.
Kung mali lang.
Ay, si Bako.
4 minutes and 20. Diaz. Paso si Baco. Paso Diaz. Again, still by Reyes. Now Fernandez. Foul. Foul again on Sunday Domingo. First on UAE. Second personal foul on Sunday Domingo.
Aking baba. Sige lang. Aking baba.
Nice break. Whoa! A wrong pass and miscommunication between Fernandez and Reyes. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Reyes. Second team foul on Mechanic Squad. First on Reyes. It's 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Simbaco. Oh.
23 to 34.
Sakay bola, marap ka, sakay bola.
Bartolome, assassin.
Akin baba.
Tres, same spot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Mr. Smokey Reyes. 35 to 23, 37 to 23, 3 minutes and 20. Now Diaz. It's Leron Reyes. Mr. Smoothie Reyes. Traveling violation.
Tulong sila dyan eh.
In and out. Diaz. 2 minutes and 30.
Diyan ka lang.
Kondisyon sa may talaga.
Ako pa may kasalanan ngayon ah. Baba ka na, baba ka na.
Oh! Basket count and 1 on Diaz. Foul on number 15.
Turbulan, wag na mag-jump.
On Benos. 30 foul on Caliswad. 2 minutes.
Turbulan, turbul.
25 to 39. 14 point lead on Caliswad.
Oh, baka Diaz yan.
26 to 39. Last minutes.
Papasa yan dito. Akin baba.
Sige, sige. Rebound!
Wala lamon, ito na rebound.
Wala Diyos.
Bumaba na. Bumaba. Nice!
Top. Benos.
Pass, Venus.
Oh, too strong.
Sige, diretso.
Tira mo, sige, tira mo.
Short. Top.
Nice one.
Nice one!
Yes, on Tantan. 28 to 39. Back to 11 point lead on Caliswad.
Okay, nice, nice! Bumaba!
Ay, ay, ay.
Ganda.
Ready to shoot.
Talubog, talubog!
Kaya.
45 seconds. Yes, on Tantan. 30 to 39. Time out. Time out.
Nagbigay na yung bola.
Time out. Hindi ako napito. Sorry.
Only 9-point lead now. On Mechanic Squad, it's 39 to 30.
Parang liliparin lang ko na. Humid na.
Akin baba. Bita ka.
O pwede na magtapos pintura.
Goy. Kunti.
Yan, nice! Nice defense! Tira na!
10 to shoot.
Okay, baba!
Lagay mo, sige! Hindi na, coach.
Whoa! 8 seconds.
Shot! Ganda rin pala hindi tumatakbo.
And third quarter. A shot coming from La Peguera.
Hey, challenge. Hindi ko pwedeng ganyan.
33 to 41. Now CJ. In and out.
Takbo na! Semifinals.
Umagod. Reyes.
Okay.
10 to shoot.
Uy, Rabel.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the running MVP, 44 to 33. Yes, on La Peguera. 44 to 35. Reyes to Umakam again. 10 to shoot. CJ. Too strong.
Okay.
Now La Peguera. Yes, on La Peguera. 37-44. 7-point lead now. On Mechanic Squad.
Hoy. Hoy. Hoy.
Now Kabusi. Foul. Foul number 27 on Balitaan. First on Mechanic Squad. First on Balitaan. 38-44.
Kaya lang ang problema, nanunukod ka. Pwersa mo.
39 to 44. Now 5-point lead on Mechanic Squad.
Harap sa tres, harap sa tres. Tres lang ang laro niyan, ha? Harap, harap, harap.
CJ.
Nice steal, nice steal.
Reyes. 10 to shoot. Kabusi. Oh! Black! May balitan. It's 7 minutes and 40 seconds.
Ibang team, oh. Yung team namin doon, parang ang ganda pang team natin dito.
Good.
Whoa! Domingo, 41 to 44. 3-point lead now on Mechanic Squad. Now Umakam. Cardiff La Peguera. Stop up. Pull out jump. Bang! Bang, 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 bang. Oh, no, Mako. 47 to 41. 7 minutes.
Number 20 na yun.
Now La Peguera. Cardiff. La Peguera, La Peguera, La Peguera. 43 to 47. Back to 4-point lead on Mechanic Squad. 6 minutes. And 40 seconds. Now CJ. Steal by La Peguera. Now Camus. Come out. Mechanic Squad 47 to 45. It's 6 minutes and 36 seconds.
Humid siya. Mga ako naglalaro.
Now Umakam.
Sundan mo na ba tintitan?
Foul. Oh, offensive foul on CJ. First personal foul on CJ. Second team foul against Mechanic Squad.
Nangyari na sa akin.
Bang! Bang, 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 bang on La Peguera now 48 to 47, 1-point lead on UAE. Short. It's 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Wala pa 5 minutes. Wala pa. 5 minutes.
La Peguera. Domingo, Sunday, Domingo. Stop. Kabusi again, 14 to shoot. La Peguera.
Balik.
Kabusi, stop, up, yo-yo move, short again, rebound on CJ.
Ayaw mo na yan.
Huwag na.
Yes, on CJ, 49 to 48.
Hindi nga.
Kinayan na.
Pansin siya.
5 minutes.
Kuya Vince.
Patirahin mo.
Stop. Counts. Kabusi. Steal.
Ay, bakot. Diretso.
Yes, on to Reyes, now 51 to 48. Mechanic squad ball, Mechanic squad, substitution. Mechanic squad ball. Sub rep, sub.
Let's go.
48 to 51, only 3-point lead on Mechanic squad. Bang, 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 bang on CJ. Now back to 6-point lead of Mechanic squad, 48 to 54. Bang, 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 bang on La Peguera.
Sir, lapitan mo na kagad. Lapitan mo na para walang rotation.
51 to 54 now. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. CJ again. Big. Isitay. CJ dive. Reyes. Pull on jump. Too strong. Rebound by Sunday Domingo. Assassin. Reyes foul. Foul on Sunday Domingo. First on UAE. Third personal foul on Sunday Domingo.
Ano?
55 to 51. 4-point lead on UAE. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on La Peguera. Now 1 point lead again in Mechanic squad. 55 to 54.
White ball.
14 to shoot, 14.
Nice one.
Dalawa.
Defense talaga.
It's 3-1. Reyes. It's still by Kabusi. Kabusi now.
Oh no.
Ibago.
Oh no.
Yes, on Kabusi. 56 against 55. 1 point lead now, UAE.
Ay ba?
Yes, on Kabusi. 58 to 55. 8-point lead now, UAE. 3-point lead. Short, block by Kabusi.
Oh no.
2 minutes.
Hintay.
La Peguera.
Kumuha ng foul.
Substitution.
Tawag. Go, go!
Time out! Emirates!
Now, on UAE.
Ikaw na yung ano sir ah.
Number 19.
Yan ang tubig natin. Ano yung...
Puso ng dalawang mandaraya. Puso ng dalawang mandaraya.
Ipaw ng Simbako.
Si Lapigera.
Yes, on La Figuera, 60-55. 5-point lead on UAE.
Nawala.
Sir, kunin mo yung 20 ah. Kunin mo yung 20. Lagi 3 point yan ah. Sir, huwag ka lang bumaba dyan ha. Huwag ka bumaba. Number 30.
Foul.
May tunog eh.
Second team foul UAE.
Second, personal foul.
Second personal foul on Malajos.
Sir, lapit na. Lapit na. Titira yan.
10 to shoot.
Nice pass. Nice pass.
Foul on CJ. Second personal foul on CJ. Third on Mechanic Squad.
Oh, dikitan, dikitan, dikit. Satu.
Pasok, pasok.
14 to 14. 3-second violation on Simbako. 40 seconds.
Ano sila dito? Ito.
Harap, harap, harap.
Foul. Foul on number 8 on Simbako. Third team foul on Emirates.
Person Simbako.
14 to shoot.
Okay na, okay.
Gol, gol, gol.
Good, 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 good. Nice pass.
Wow! Simbak on
Still, still. Nice one.
Tabusi.
Harap, harap, harap.
Boss! Basket count. Basket count. On Assassin. 58 to 62. Corner. Ball game at ball game.
Bago, bago, kasi bago. Baba. Yan, sila sa baba.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Diaz. 7-point lead now yun, Emirates.
Galaw, 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 kailangan, galaw, kailangan. Isa. O, kuha na. Tapit. Ayan lang, o.
10 to shoot. Whoa! The Assassin. 65 to 60.
Lima na yan, lima. O, lima lang, lima, lima.
Now, La Figuera. Malajos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Malajos. Foul. Foul on number 15 on Diaz. First team foul UAE. First personal foul on the great Diaz. Wow! Kabusi! Yes! So, nasa sa 62 to 68. Nakama na Diyos. Dawaliwal. It's 7 minutes and 48 seconds, 62 against 68.
Pusok konti, rep.
Likod!
Whoa! Basket count and one on Bartolome. Foul on number 1. 30 on Malajos. Now 4-point lead on Emirates, 68 to 64.
Wala just third personal.
Third personal foul on Malajos.
That's one!
68 to 65, 3-point lead now on Emirates. Mechanic squad. Ten to shoot.
Kumukuha kasi ng foul eh.
Foul on CJ. Third personal foul on CJ. First on the mechanic squad. Six minutes. 69 to 65. Now Fernandez. To CJ. It's 3-2. Kabusi. Yes, San Malajos. 5 minutes and 25 seconds, 71-65.
What's up, Mike?
Foul. Foul on Simbaco sa dito sa depth shot.
Mike.
13 foul on you, Emirates.
Simbaco second.
Second personal foul on Simbaco.
Anip?
Sa ref south.
Nine.
71 to 66.
Nice one!
La Peguera. Five minutes. 10 to shoot. 5.
Pakita mo sino ka!
Sino siya?
4 minutes and 43 seconds.
Time out! Emirates!
Last time out, last time out. Last time out, wala na.
Time out on Emirates.
Pag yung pasok ko na yung steal, pwede. Ikaw na mag-spot. Pag sama sa iba.
La Peguera. Yes, on Simbaco.
Nice one! Okay, tama! Ayan!
Yes, on Sunday, Domingo. Bang! Oh, nasa 68 to 25, 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Bang bang!
3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Nice try, nice try! Bawal lang next try!
Kabusi.
Kalma, kalma!
Hey, Chris.
Alberos. Oh!
Yes mo na!
2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Yes mo na! Okay! Bang bang!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Sunday, Domingo. Foul. Paulo Diaz. Warning for penalty on UAE. Second personal foul on Diaz.
14. Nauna pa sila.
Oh, 10 ha?
Serve time out.
10 to shoot.
Dia.
Nice one!
Bang, bang, bang!
CJ.
Ay, kumpensa!
It's 4-2. Ah, he's still in Gabusi.
Tira!
40 to shoot.
Bing bing!
Rebound na lumakot. 1 minute and 50.
1 minute na, 1 minute!
1 minute na lang!
Yes on Mr. Reyes, 6-9-70. Today. Foul. Foul na lumakot. Time out.
Easy lang.
Kamusi.
Sweet! Respect!
Okay lang, okay tayo, okay.
40 to shoot.
Sino ba?
10.
Nice one! Hey, hey!
Kumukuha kasi ng foul eh.
Puro na, puro na. Puro na.
Let's go na!
Foul on Simbaco. Penalty.
Simbako third person.
Third personal foul on Simbaco.
Kuya, ng score kuya.
78 to 70.
Sabula sir, ha? Sabula.
Watch out, oh. Si Diaz ang rebound dyan, si Diaz ang rebound. Oh, si Diaz na yung rebound dyan. Ano ang rebound dyan?
One minute. Yes, on Simbaco. 45 seconds. 40 seconds.
Nakontrapilo daw. Lapidero.
30 seconds. 40 to shoot. 21 seconds, 21.
Sa atin ang bantay! Atras!
Hey, bola!
Balik!
Aywa.
Idol, pasparin natin po.
10 seconds.
Nice game!
And up game, our winner.